Malolau malia hau e ki mo lelei e tonga hono kotoa. Fia ki talitali lei ki mautol ki o mo uniongo mo le tio ka maafu ke televisione tonga ki he hawani. Wakaiko ia ki he ngahi ulu iongo. Me anta mapri nis kalauni tu pautoa ulu kālala o whakaola ai tu utu oni whawhanua a tongani ki he kakai tonga whafok whapuri anga mai ki nau tonga ki tongani. Tanu po e fufua senta i tongani ki tau hea kautore ke leka i houma. Pea toloi kotoa tala tutu une e hopotange ka whafufunga whalealea ki a pongpongi. E toi ia epe me ngahi tala noa ke he anaiange, whataha me wakai ke whamuimitaha me mala e o sipoti, ka uma afo ki ai whakamatala e a. Ka koe wakai lewa eni ke whakaikiki, ko aosa no li tātui vai. Ke whakafoki mo whakafo o kakato ki he mo ui ai kau foki ki a pi. Koe konga ia ai me ai tamapili niskalauni tu poutoa olu kālala, I hona whakaola ai fuafua tohi tutu uni whawhanua a tongani ki he kakai tonga au whakafoki whapure anga mai ki nau tolu ki tongani. Whai ki ke tala noa ko yang ki hawani mo wai whanua tūpola.
I he mea tamapilinisi ka launi tu poutoa ul kālala na ane whalotalahi ia ieni ihi ko whafok mai ki nau tolu mi tua pule anga o wikaike ngata anga eni oi mo ui. Ka koe kamata anga lele ia ki e nau foki mai ki api o kamata fo ou mo e whamili siasi mo e tūkui kolo. Nā ne te mea o pehe neongo kulahi e ngahi pole, ka kune pole ia ieni ihi koe ni ke nau mauha mo ui whakafo o kakato.
Tutuni ngau e whawhanua koe ni, tau tuku atu, ke whai ngau i ke nau tolu au nau whoki api. Uni whamoni e maunga ia, ai pure anga, ke mukakai e whanuan, e programani. Ke tatu whiro ki e kakai, ko whawhoki me i tō pure anga. Ke whakawhoki, ke whawhoki kakato, ke mo ui. Ko ngau maui ngau pitoin, ka kulai hono ngai pōre. Kai ke, i he tau whengau e aki, mo pūpō ki he ngau en, ke tutun ngau en, ko tau whakaia e tau whakapapa, ke ki nau tōru ko kai tonga, ke whakaivia ki nau tōru, ki whakaongai, o nau ngai tare ni ti, ke langa hake aki, o tau ki whanuan, o tau whai ko tonga.
Ko e hile polo kalamana e luwa atu ai pehe minista e pot ngawe ngahi ngawe whaloto whanua, whane fituafe, a e tohi tutu uni whawhanua koe ni ke tamapili ni skalauni tu poutoa ulka lala. I he lotonga e polo kalamane i ai pa mo e polo kalama tala loto ma ai ni ihi koe kai tonga ko whawhok whapuri anga mai ki nau tolu ki tongani. Ai ana nau tala loto maali ai ke ngahi whainga maali e lahi o kuma ui tongani ke nau li liu mo ui ki hai. Ko e tokalai taha ni ihi koe ni na nau os ngai po pula pe he ngahi whanua i muli pe a toki whawhok whapule anga mai ki nau tolu ki tongani. Na nau toi pehe koe whoki mai ki tongani koe whainga maalie mo i koloa ia o toi we ia ki nau tolu i he ngahi mahu e whanua ke nau mau peha nau mo uhi tongani. O ka wai nau lava pe ke nau ngowe i he kelekele pehe ke taktaha tauhi e nau mon manu hange koe whakatapu. Ka ke hena te pehe skel tali e kau taha tokangan kina ni ihi o whafoki ki api i loa koe Dare to Dream, Katrina Whatiaki. Nā ne uki ai e ngāhi whatataha i e tutu uni ngāwe, whataha me ngāhi kupu whekau aki, ke langa hala whanonga o knau whia whanongo ki ni ihi pehe.
O whatataha i mai e tutu uni ngāwe ni, a ngāhi kupu whekau aki. Ke mau ngāwe vāo whiange, ki ono langa ha hala whanonga e ola lele ki hala, ki he taha kotoa pe. O mau kau whakataha i he lau maalie o whie whanongo ke mau ngahi tala noa mo whiako aki mo tokataha kotoa pe. Ko tokataha kotoa pe i he ni o kune to'o ai konga o i pāsolo. Ka ikai ho tau kei ngāwe he ikai kakato hono ngāwe i ai tūtū ni ngāwe koe ni. O whio atu whoki whamalo ki Ed Minister Malo loi pot ngawe ki ngahi ngawe whalota whanua, sinai tu itahi. I he poupou mo e whatau lama ki he palani hono whau ai tūtū ni ngawe koe ni. Kia meleane Tonga, o mauhonga ia lahi i he ngawe mateaki mo e veke veke. Ke uli fohe i he ngawe ni me kamata anga, pa tok tuku atu kia sinama atu pou. Ke ne hoko atu e whatongia, pa toki whakakato, i ngāwe whataha mai CEO polot paunga. Koe ngāwe lahi ka oksi e kulea ke whai hono whamalo ia.
O tonga ni na pehe tala whakalahi a Australia ki tonga ni, His Excellency Brett Batley, o ke tuk pakato pe pule anga Australia, ke tonga ni a tonga ni i hono popo i mwhaiwia hawhi ma o e pule anga tonga, ki hono tonga ngai kina i ngahi ka veinga ki hini ihi o whawhok wha pule anga mai, me tu a pule anga ki tonga ni. Mai ngonga le te o mo television tonga, ko au wahe whanau tō pola.
Ko e makamaile mahu inga pia koe historia e ke Pasifiki ka koe tai mua a Tongani. I e fōfua whanua ke langa e senta ke tau hipe tokanga i ai koutou leke leka o whakatatau pe me ngai se vesi i toa pule anga. Nei me ai a eiki atua mua vaea o tanu pou ai fōfua senta ai tau leke leka ke langa i Tongani i e whiawhi ane a whi ai o amanaki ke langa ia i houma ma ai wahenga hihi fō. I he mea eiki atoa mua vaea, ka koe whawhalanglangia o i wau tanu pou ko e ni. Nā ne wikia, ai palani ngāwe ko e ni, ka uhi e toko ni lahia ki he ngāwe whakalakalaka a tonga ni. Aki ai hāsino mai ai longo mo ui, ai toka ngai kina, ai tauhi o i koutou leke leka. I hoko e ni ke te tolo ngai a e nau mo ui, pia nau toi mo ui fie angi.
Ka tau mua o ngai senta ko e ni, ke ngawe aki e he koutou leke leka ki whakalakalaka mo i toronga i nau mo ui. Neongo ko taito e la a. Lahi ai ngai polokalama e whakahoko ngai sentani, pea o si iai ai ngai whakotuu mo e mateu mai ki ai koutou keito o lahi. Ki e toi whakaivia ai koutou leke leka, pea pehe foki ki hono koutou hi. Pea o tau amana ki lelei ko ngai whaleni, tene whiau ai ngahi fie maulahi ai koutou leke leka, ki e nau mo ui lelei, mo ui wholoa. Ko ngai senta ko e ni, o e whare pe ke nau kau ki ai i he aho, pea nau foki ki o nau ngahi api o malolo ki ai e taimpo uli. Mahalo ko ki mea peeni, ne makehe e ne asi mai i he savea, ko e nau loto pe ke nau nofo ki api. Kai o mai pe, ka nau o mai pe o whai e nau ngahi polo karama he sentani i he taimi aho.
Lo tonga ni na mea minister potu ngau i ngahi ngau i whalato whanua ai kua malmal wai ai koutou leke leka whani fituafe, ko i ngahi senta tau leke leka whakatoa e whau a manaki ke langa i tonga ni. Ai o kau ke senta ma ai wahi hihifo i houma, senta ma ai wahi hake i tataka mo tonga, senta ma ai wahi kolo i kolo motu apia mo senta i wahi whanua wawa o. Lo tonga ni na whakamala ala tali e kita peke pule, ai polokalama ngawe toko ni ko eni manu whetoa ke ngai sewe se whakahoko i senta ko eni mo eni ao ngā ki tonga ni.
Konga hanoua, ka ngai sewe si eni e whakahoko he senta, ka taimi koe kakatoa e senta, langa senta, wai ngai sewe si ke kehe e whakahoko he senta ko eni. Ai o kukau ki ai o mai e tau koutou reke ke nā mai o nofo mai ki henu tau hiki nau tolu heni, ka e whakawhainga maaria i ho nau koutou hi, ke nau si malolo at pei api, o malolo, taini ihu nau ngau e mi pōkakato, ka whawhainga maare i ho nau taimi, ke nau se ka malolo pei api, pe ko whakumi haki i ngau e ki toko ni ki whamiri. Rotonga ihe ne kau tōreka e tokanga i kakato ia he proseki ta mo e pureanga. Konga hau se vesi ai mo se vesi taha, ai ko hono tokanga whakahoko ngai sivi mo ilerei, ai kau tōreka proklama sivi mo ilerei, proklama whakahake ake, ia mo e proklama mau mea tokoni, houa tolu, e whakakato i ngai sevesi ia, e whakahoko i he senta, i he ko programa noa, toki kamata sevesi ko ni, he taimi kakato e tau langa ai ku tau kamata i ahoni. Ako proklama whakaosi, ko konga lahi whakaosi ko e prosekini au lau, konga lahi tolu, ko konga whakaosi ko e ngahi tokoni ia, tau te fito, ki e kau tauhi. Ko e kau e ngahi tokoni ko ni, ai ki ange ki iwahe, he mahina ko toa mai kau tauhi. Mo whatonga i pe ko kamata mai, ko taluet ni kamata i me tau kōsi, pia ku lere ke lelei mai e polokalama ko ni hono ange wahenga, e kau tauhi he mahina hono ko toa pe. Konga hono e polokalama ni, o ki polokalama ako, ai poloseki pa mo e pureanga, o whakahoko e he TTI, ko e ako certificate level uruaki pia mo e level ua, o ku amanaki kamata level ua mo level ua ki ko ia hoko atu be i he mahinani. Pea kai ko ia be, o kai mo ki polokalama tokoni, ke ngahi api o koutou regereka, tātou te whito ke whakarere i honau, whakarere i honau kuna foanga, ma whanki i whie mau viviri ai tau regereka, o ku kau mui he polo kalama koe ni, ki he ono tokonia, i he konga no tolu e tau proseki. Kai pe o wai moe prokalama taha ko hono o whakahoko e counselling, mai te mau, mai tau kau counselors, ke nau tokoni ki hono wharei, mo hono tokonia e loua pe e tau kau tauhi, ta moe kau tau regereka. Hange pe koe ko mumia i, lahe kau tau regereka e kau tauhi, unau si wheak whekuki, mo whea mo ngahi whakatamaki, mo ngahi palparema i api, kai o mai kau counselor ko ni ke nau hanga wharei, mo tokoni ke te kina tau tatau pe i he kau tauhi ta mo kau tau regereka. I kai koia pe ka te mau koe ngahi senta koe ni, kumme me ngahi nau whe mau viviri e kau tau regereka. Ia koe ngahi nau koe o nau whe mau he maketi, tokoni nau koe ni ki hapatu unga maa tu aki mau maa apito ke tokonia ke ngahi whe mau ai kau tau regereka. Te whaka o si be wai mo konga e proklama ai prosekini, ko no whaka ai, a whengawe aki, ai waofi, mo ngawe, wahe tatau e ngā ue, ki he kau tauhi whewhine, ta mo ho e tangata. Ange koe umi ai, koe tuu koe statistika i Tongani, koe ngawe whakatauhi au me lahi be ho e whawhine. Pe se te hiwa nima, whakahoko kotoa e he ho e whawhine. Ka wae popo mo whakai ai he prosek koe ni, ke kau mai mo mātua tangata, i hono tokonia, mo whakahoko ai ngā ue whakatauhi. Ia ki he kau tau regereka.
Kai ke he koe polo kalama ngā ue koe neo whiunga hanu whamole whapaanga mo e paanga e tolu walu miliona. Hok mahina koe konga ene ngā ue puri anga ke tokonia mo toka ngai kina ai mo ui ai kau tō leke leka, pe he ke kau mao ngā ue i tonga ni. E mahino o alu ke te tokolahi anga kakai tonga aku nao mole at ki tua puri anga i he ngā ue tatau koe tauhi ai kau tō leke leka. Pea i e whamumui taha ko ia ai tutu uri ngai hopotange kau whakafofonga whalealea me kau minista e kabineti. Ko whapapau i mai mei he whamau anga i he pongponge ahoni, ai toloi kotoa, ai tala tutu uni ke tō whakahoko ia i he hoa e whiawhia pongpongi teimi wā e whiawhi. Ko tala kotoa ene tutu uni i he hopotange minista pa anga mālolo, ka koe whafofonga kakai o niwa taha fitulata i whengata atang mana. Hili hono whakahala ia i whamau angalahi ke hia whikau aki mo e mau i o e lao whiri whalealea. E kau kei mo e talai tūtu ni e tangi o e taha e kau kantiteiti ma ai wāhenga Tongatapu hiwa, toke tāte vita tōkunga hili a ene halaia i whamau anga ki he ene whakailo ai minista tana panga homai mo e tute, ka koe whakafofunga kakai o Tongatapu hiwa 17 do mo ua. E tala mo e tūtu ni ai tangi ai minista tak mamata, minista ngahi ngawe lalahi a pule anga ka koe whafofunga kakai o Tongatapu wa se misisika hili ene halaia i whamau anga. Whamau anga lahi eni. Kau kei mo e tala i tutu uni ai tangi minista potunga e whanua mo e kolowhai natula ka koe whafofunga kakai o ewa tahataha toke tātani refusi mālohi hili ene halaia i whamau anga lahi. Pea e tōk tātuku aki ai tala i tutu uni ai tangi e minista mālolo e tua te lavu hili ene halaia i whamau anga lahi i he ene whakailo ai tokoni pale mia toke tā Williami Latu. Uni o ngongo whalot whanua e ki Hawani te tawakailewa eni ke whamumui taha me he mala e o sipoti o kahili eni whahoka te awahi whanua tūpola.
Malo e tau kei whiau mai me he mala e o sipoti. Ko tōta ki pilitani alahi e timnet polo whawhanua a Tonga koe tala i amanaki ki nau kawatu ke whiau hi komniweliu amanaki whahoko i Glasgow, Skotlani. Nai tatali ai e timtala i malai wakapuna Heathrow i Lontoni e kau ngau e ofistal whikau lahi a Tonga i Lontoni whadahamini ihi o i ka inga Tonga nofo pilitania. Nai a wai pia e timi ki welesi ai au hokhoko toi pia e whamalo i sino mo e teuteu e timi ki e nau wa inga whao ki mua ai kamata e whiau hi komniweli. Nai whamalo ia he kautahanet polo a Tonga ai ka inga Tonga i welesi, ka au hene e whenimui Tonga nofo mo wa inga akapulu i welesi ko Sicilia tu ipolotu. Mo hono whamili he tokoni ki hono fotutu o e ngahi whenga maali e mai timitala lolo Tonga e nau i welesi. Nā nau talitali foki e whanau tala mo i ngahi ka hoa i e nau tu utatu o ngoi honga ia ai timi i talitali maa whana pehe ki nau tolu. Neto e whamalo ia whoki kautaha net polo a Tonga ai pule anga, wa spoti e pot ngawe ngahi ngawe whalot whonua, Tāsanok, pule anga Australia, kautaha net polo a Australia, kai pehe ke whamili mo i kau pōpō ko toa peo e timi, ko nau tokonia mo langa hake e timi o na wai o kau, ki he nau fuafua whi au hi Komniweli. O te te watua e tim tala ki nau kawatu ke whi au hi Komniweli, a ke nau ngahi polo kalama whakamalo i sino, o la tonga whahoko i welesi. Mei he akapulu unioni, ne mea e ki pale miano pele whawhanua o kau whataha me tahine prinsesi Latu peka i hono whawhiwhia i mo whailonga i e makamaile mahu inga i e historia e akapulu ko a uke he taha e kau helo i he time mate maatonga ko tania Latu pou. Ko e mea ene e pale mia me tahine prinsesi i he wikeni o whailonga i e wa inga tu o tolunge au atu pou pe he ki he eik pale mia i he makamaile ko e ni. Ko e malai pia i sipoti ki he whiawhini.
Pea mai kakate pehe mo uni o ngongo, ki mo apatau mawai, tatu e wakai pehe ni ki he ngahi ulu i o ngongo. Mea enta mapiri nis kalauni te pautoa uru ka lala o whakaola ai tu utu uni whawhanua a Tongani ki he kakai tonga whakafok whapuri anga mai ki nau tonga ki Tongani. Tanu pou e fufua senta i Tongani ki tau he kautou ke leka i Houma, pea tolo i kotoa tala tutu uni e hopotangi kau whafufunga whalealea ki a pongpongi. Pea me kakate pehe mo uni o ngongo i lea whatonga me letio, ka maafo ke televison i Tonga ki Hawani, pea mo iefka amo na iau tonu atu ki he loto whale ai Tonga hono kotoa. Whamalo te tau keiwhi ao mai, ko au senoli tatu i vai ka momea. Good evening and welcome to your English news package with radio and television Tonga news for tonight. Making headlines, Crown Prince launches Tonga's first national policy for government assist returnees of deportees. Honourable Atua Mu'awaya officiated the groundbreaking of Tonga's first elderly care centre in Houma yesterday. And all appeal judgment decision for MPs and cabinet ministers postponed until tomorrow. We'll have these and more stories later on in the bulletin together with sports to wrap up with the latest weather update. Now for the stories in details. Tonga has officially launched its first national policy to support Tongan citizens who are repatriated to the kingdom under government assist return deportees programs. His Royal Highness the Crown Prince Tupotoa Olukalala launched the first policy, describing it's an important step towards helping returnees rebuild their lives and successfully reintegrate into their families, communities and society. Waifunua Paula with more on that story.
His Royal Highness the Crown Prince Tupotoa Olukalala launched the policy, describing it as an important step towards helping returnees rebuild their lives and successfully reintegrate into their families, communities and society. The policy marks a significant milestone in Tongan's history, providing the country's first national framework to guide the care and reintegration of Tongans who are deported or repatriated from overseas. Speaking at the launch, the Crown Prince encouraged returnees not to see their return as the end of their journey, but as the beginning of a new chapter. He acknowledged the challenges they may face, but urged them to embrace the opportunity to rebuild their lives with the support of their families, churches and communities. Following the ceremony, the Minister for Internal Affairs, Honourable Fane Fituafe, formally presented the national document to His Royal Highness. During the program, several returnees shared their personal experiences, saying that Tonga offers more opportunities to start over. Many said they had worked in prisons or served prison sentences overseas before being repatriated, but now see returning home as a chance to rebuild their lives through farming, livestock and other local opportunities. The Secretary of the Dare to Dream organization, Katrina Fatiaki, also called for stronger collaboration among government agencies and partner organizations to ensure returnees that are heard and supported through a coordinated reintegration process. Meanwhile, Australia's High Commissioner to Tonga, His Excellency Brett Petley, reaffirmed Australia's commitment to supporting the government of Tonga in strengthening programs and services for people returning to the kingdom under government-assisted repatriation.
Tonga has taken a historic step in elderly care with the groundbreaking of the Kingdom of Tonga first dedicated residential aged care centre in Homa yesterday. The groundbreaking ceremony was officiated by Honourable Atuamu Avaya, who described the project as an important investment in Tonga's future and the well-being of its elderly population. The centre will be built in Homa to serve communities in the Hihifo district. Let's take a look. Speaking at the ceremony, Honourable Atuamu Avaya praised the initiative, saying it reflects Tonga's commitment to providing quality care for older people and helping them live longer, healthier and happier lives. Meanwhile, Minister for Internal Affairs Fani Fituafe, whose ministry oversees the elderly, says 4 elderly care centres are planned across Tonga. The centres will be located in Homa for Western District, the Tamutonga for the Eastern District, Kolomotua for the Central District and Vava'o for the Outer Islands. Manu Fitoa, who leads the project, outlined the range of services that will be provided at the centres and said the project will strengthen aged care services throughout Tonga.
This project introduces a holistic approach to honour our elders, ensuring they receive appropriate, safe and high quality care. Importantly, this project stands as a landmark pilot initiative for the Kingdom of Tonga. It represents a pioneering model of community-based care, one that established a national benchmark for senior services moving forward. To achieve this vision, the project strategically delivers 3 core operational outputs. Number 1, to establish 4 community-based climate resilience aged care centers across the kingdom. Output number 2, the implementation of tailored health promotion, therapeutic exercise, and psychological support programs. And lastly, the output number 5, the delivering of dedicated training and support systems to recognize, reduce, and directly assist our hardworking families, caregivers. While this entire national initiative involves building 4 specialized centers across the kingdom, 3 here in Tongatapu and 1 in Vava'o, it is a distinctive privilege to stand here in Homa today, where the physical construction journey critically begins. As for the technical brief, with your indulgence and distinguished guests, I would now like to outline the structural and technical specification of what we are constructing on this site. As project manager, I want to briefly highlight the technical blueprints that define this facility. For the facility classification, the Homa facility is formally designed as the specialized network center. It is masterfully architected to serve as the vital center for the whole people of Homa and the Western District. The footprint size, the structurally the facility building will be encompassed with a total gross floor area of 400 square meters, and this building will sit seemingly fitness within an allocated 300 square meters parcel of land.
The initiative forms part of the government efforts to improve the welfare of senior citizens while helping address the growing demand for elderly care, as many Tongans continue to leave the country to work overseas in the caregiving sector. And the Court of Appeal has postponed all judgment decision in the election appeal cases involving members of Parliament and Cabinet Ministers until 2 p.m. Evening tomorrow. The announcement was confirmed by the court this morning, with all decisions originally expected for today now rescheduled. Among the cases is the appeal by former Minister of Finance and People's Representative for Niua 17, Lata Ifengata Atangmana, following his conviction in the Supreme Court on charges relating to bribery under the Electoral Act. also postponed the appeal by former Tongatapu 9 candidate Dr. David Tonga after his case against Minister of Revenue and Customs and People Representative for Tongatapu 9, 17 Moimoi, was dismissed by the Supreme Court. The court has also delayed its decision on the appeal by Minister for Tourism and People's Representative for Tongatapu 2, Semisisika, following his conviction in the Supreme Court. The appeal decision for the Minister of Lands and Natural Resources and People's Representative for Ewa 11, Dr. Daniel Fusmalo, has also been postponed after his conviction in the lower court. In addition, the court will deliver tomorrow its decision on the appeal by the former minister, Eduardo Lavlavo, following the dismissal of his case against Deputy Prime Minister, Dr. Williami Latu. That is the local news for this hour. Sports is up next after this break with Vanuatu Paula.
Welcome back from sports. The national netball team Dala has arrived safely in the United Kingdom ahead of its preparation for the upcoming Commonwealth Games in Glasgow. The team was welcomed at Heathrow Airport in London by staff of the Tongan High Commission, led by First Secretary Lolo Hea, along with members of the Tongan community. Following their arrival, Dala travelled on to Wales, where they will continue their training and play a warm-up match as part of their build-up to the Games. The Tonga Netball Association has also acknowledged the support of Welsh international player Cecilia Latu with her parents, Sione and Glenda, and their family for helping coordinate the team's preparations in Wales over recent months. The family also greeted the team with traditional garlands, giving the players a warm Tongan welcome upon arrival. Tonga Netball has thanked the Government of Tonga, the Ministry of Internal Affairs Sports Division, DASNOC, the Australian Government, Netball Australia through the Pack Our Sports program, Wales Netball and the families and supporters who have backed the team on its journey to the Commonwealth Games. Dala is preparing to make its Commonwealth Games debut as it continues its training camp in Wales ahead of the competition. The Tonga Rugby League has congratulated the Sydney Roosters winger Daniel Tupou after he became just one of a handful of Pacifica players to reach 300 NRL games. Tonga Rugby League President and Prime Minister Lord Fafanua praised Tupou's achievement, saying that the former Mate Tonga star has inspired generations of young Tongans through his humility and outstanding performances on the field, with hopes that Tonga will host international matches in the future.
But before we part, here's one final look at tonight's top stories. Crown Prince launches Tonga's first national policy for government-assist returnees of deportees. Honorable Atuamu Awaya officiated the groundbreaking of Tonga's first elderly care centre in Homa yesterday. And all appeal judgment decision for MPs and cabinet ministers was postponed until tomorrow. And that's it for tonight. Thank you for your company. Good evening.